Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check the IMEI and serial number on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on About Phone. From here, just scroll down and tap on Status. From here, if you scroll down, you can find the IMEI numbers of the smartphone on the screen. From here, you can compare the IMEI numbers on your smartphone screen to the IMEI number on your smartphone's box and make sure they are both the same. Now, to find the serial number on your smartphone, just go back and tap on Software Information. Now, as you can see, this is the serial number of this smartphone. From here, just compare the serial number on your smartphone screen to the serial number on your smartphone's box and make sure that the serial number on your smartphone screen and the serial number on your smartphone's box both are the same. Just like that. And this is how you can check the IMEI and the serial number on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.